just wanted to show you my appreciation for you being a subscriber. So through my journeys, I've been picking up stuff for you. Now I'm about to go through my sack of awesomeness, and I'm going to show you each item I have. And all you have to do is two things. You have to be a subscriber, and you have to tell me which one you want. And I need you to post that in the comments. The first person that posts it, I'll send you a message to get your address so I can send it to you. Okay, so if I get 30 people that say they want it, I'm going to go to the first person. If I don't hear back from them, I'll go to the next person until I've got an address for these items. So let's see what I got first. Okay, I have a 6-pack of coasters from Germany. Now, each of the 6 of them have a different scene from Germany, so that's pretty cool. We've got Hamburg, Deutschland, Neuschwanstein, I know I messed that up, Heidelberg, Munchen, and I got one that's got a sticker over it, so I can't tell what it is, but it's on the Rhine River, it looks like. See what else I got next. All right. Ooh, this is from London. It's got the telephone booth. It's got their famous mailboxes. It's got one of the cool cabs, and it's got the double-decker bus. Ooh, these are from Belgium. It's from Bruges, Belgium, and it's a 4-pack of coasters, and each of them have different scenes on them, and it looks like watercolors. Now, I'm not getting you cheap stuff either. Like this 4-pack, look at that. It's 8 pounds, so that's like $9.50. So I'm getting you some good, okay? This is from Monaco. Now, what's Monaco known for besides casinos? Because I can't bring you a casino, but I can bring you a Ferrari. I guess it's a Ferrari. It looks like a Ferrari. Anyway, it's a Formula 1 car. Let's see, does it say? Just says special edition. Try me. The front wheel. Oh, the front wheel moves. How about that? So I'm going to assume all the wheels move. Free wheel function. Yeah. What else we got? Oh, this one's from Down Under. It is a Sydney Harbor Bridge shot glass. Now, here's an interesting fact. Do you know where we get the word shot from? We get the shot word from back when Texas was its own country. There would be bank robbers that would come from America, and they would ride their horses into the Republic of Texas where they had immunity, right? It's kind of like going across the border to Mexico or Canada. And the outlaws would have to check their guns when they got into the border until they were vouched for or until they left. And in America, they were doing things different than Texas because Texas was all flintlocks. In America, you had people like Mr. Smith, Mr. Wesson, Mr. Colt, right? They were all making cartridges. So all these outlaws were coming with bullets instead of the flintlocks. And the bartenders were encouraging the outlaws to pay their tabs with bullets. And that is how we got a shot. So they would do tequila, and it would be tequila shots. And we now have shots because of that. You're welcome. All right, this one here, if you watched my video, when we were in Amsterdam, we went to the Pew family farm, and we had when we travel with Trafalgar, they usually try to get you nestled in with some of the locals, and they had a come eat with us, and we went to their farm, and they fed us, and they also have trinkets for sale. So I got you Holland salt and pepper shakers, so you can salt and pepper shake your heart content with some windmills from Poland. All right, what else you got over here? All right, so this is Scotland. And hold on, this one was, yep, all right, that's all. So I got you some hand cut coasters from Scotland. So it's a 3-pack. And they all have made in Scotland in them. So those are from Edinburgh, Scotland. What else we got here? All right. I'm trying to remember where these are from. I'll have to figure this out. Let's see here. It's all in. Oh, it's in Germany. Well, at least it was made in Germany. Oh, so these are probably from Austria. Yeah, they're euros. So these are 13 euros. So it's like 15 bucks for these. But they're felt coasters, and they have different designs on them. So I'm not going to open it up because there's no way I could tie it back, but felt coasters, so they're pretty nice. What else we got? Oh, all right. So we went to Pompeii, and I guess it's pretty popular. I didn't know this until I started traveling, and people will buy patches and then they put them on their luggage or their bags or something like that. So I got you a Pompeii patch so that you could mount it or sew it onto your travel bag or something like that. But it's from Pompeii. Pompeii is pretty cool. We spent about 2 hours there. You really need about 10. It's that big. All right. So we went to a country that I never even heard of before until we went on this tour, and I had to look it up. Now, this country is the richest country in the world, and it's one of the smallest. I think it's like the third smallest. So you've got San Marino, I think it is, in Italy. Then you have the Vatican. Then you have or maybe it's the fourth. I think then you have Monaco, and then you have Liechtenstein. So I got you a golden key ring from Liechtenstein. Now, Liechtenstein is just past Switzerland, heading east, and they have like no military. So Switzerland has agreed to protect them if they ever need protecting. But they are ruled by a king. And if you look at their license plate is FL. And L is for Liechtenstein, and F, I can't pronounce it, but it means that it's ruled by a king. So let's see. Oh, still got some good up in here. What else we got? All right. So this is from Switzerland. And what are Swiss known for? They're known for timepieces. So I got you a little clock with a Swiss emblem in it, and it's pretty nice. Let's see here. Do I have anything else? Oh, yep. All right. Oh, huh. I got a coin from Liechtenstein too, so you get a matching set. You get a coin and a keyring. Now, it looks like the last thing I've got so far is something from one of the other little countries I mentioned. It is the second location for the Pope. It came from the Vatican. It is actually a set of rosary beads that have been blessed by the Pope. So I purchased them, and then they had, at the end of the day, they take all the items to the Pope, and the Pope will bless them. So you have a blessing in here, and it comes with this card, and this card says, "May I invoke the Lord's blessing on my sons and daughters in Christ." It is also in Spanish. But these are the gifts that I've gotten for you so far, just as a thank you for being my subscriber. So, 1, make sure you're a subscriber. 2, put what country you want the item from. And then I'll check daily, and I'll send you a message. We'll get your address, and then I'll mail you these gifts, okay? But you just gotta make sure you're a subscriber because I gotta check, and then I need what you want. And again, it's gonna go to first come, first serve, okay? So if I get 30 people that want rosaries, I've only got one set. It's gonna go to the first person. I'll work my way up the list or down the list, however you wanna look at it, until I can get contact with somebody, all right? So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for being a subscriber. Please make sure that you follow me. I've got a lot of stuff coming from Hawaii, Australia, St. Thomas, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Brazil, Uruguay, and Argentina. That's just the rest of this year. So we've got, like 2 more weeks, 3 more weeks in this year, maybe 4. But I got a lot more stuff coming. And I'm doing a 12 Days of Christmas light show. for here in San Antonio, the top 12 places to go see lights in San Antonio. Those are going to start dropping on the 1st of December. So I can't wait to see that. Until next time, I'll see you next adventure.